Hi, this is Chad Wade with a quick mortgage update. There's a new stipulation being written into purchase contracts that you need to know about. Specifically, this stipulation is being written in whenever there's multiple offers on a house and the house actually sells for more than the original list price. What the stipulation says is that the buyer agrees to pay the agreed upon sales price regardless of the appraised amount. And the reason that sellers and listing agents are putting this stipulation in the contract is because there may have been a cash buyer that were willing to pay the agreed upon sales price regardless of an appraisal. The reason this is important to buyers is because mortgage financing is based off of the appraised amount of a house, not the sales price. And so if a house does not appraise for the agreed upon sales price, it can create major issues with our mortgage financing. Now, I've attached a PDF with more information on this, but please feel free to call me if you have any questions. Thanks, and I hope you find this helpful.